If you're among those names, come on up and speak.
And for the members of the public,
Mr. Herman, make your way to the podium, and you're speaking only to the agenda items, not general public comment.
Yes, I see that. I'm on Special 22. Ratification actions to the mayor's bitch storm, Hillary. But Hillary's not the problem in Los Angeles. The storm is what's happening here in city council chambers with all the distractions and disruptions. But no one is asked to leave except certain people that call in, like Mr. Spindler did on August 19, 2023, concerning a tropical storm. Ooh, tropical. But maybe you should call Batman for advice, Mr. Attorney, because the 10 regular council meeting days are no longer 30 calendar days, jackass. What about 23? Yeah, let's communicate to the controller. Is that the simplify or the city attorney?
You know, you're not speaking to the agenda. Speak to the agenda, or you're going to sit down.
The first consideration, for the record, relative to levying taxes, setting taxes for several goats' interests, and sinking funds for bonded city fiscal year 23-24. So you dumb motherfucker, I know I'm on topic, subject of the approval for recommendation on item 23-0834, you fucking pink-faced goat herder. Now you heard it from me, item 23, dumbass, stupid ass, moron out of 2 million people. You're the one asshole.
Okay, you're off topic, you're done. Sit down. Sit down, you're done. Your time has expired. Next speaker.